Welcome to Rapid Hub here. We get very information PLLs like and subscribe to motivate me. Today topic, how to make $10,000 as a student. If you're a student right now, let's be real. You're probably drowning in tuition fees, ramen noodles, and the terrifying thought of graduating broke. But what if I told you that making $10,000 as a student isn't just possible? It's actually achievable faster than you think? Stick with me for the next 15 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how to turn your skills, free time, and even your smartphone into a money-making machine. But don't click off early, because the most powerful strategy is waiting for you at the end. Right now, thousands of students are waiting for a real job before they start making money. Huge mistake. Wealth isn't built by waiting, it's built by acting. The truth is, if you're not earning extra cash right now, you're losing opportunities, experience, and time. The three things you'll never get back. And trust me, the feeling of being broke at 25, not fun. So let's flip the script. Because making $10,000, it's easier than you think if you know where to look. First up, freelancing. You're already on your laptop 24/7, right? Instead of binge watching, turn those hours into cash. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are gold mines for skills you don't even need a degree for. Writing, graphic design, video editing, or even simple data entry. People are paying. Imagine charging $50 per design or $100 per video edit. You do 5 of those a week? That's $2,000 a month. See where I'm going with this? Now, imagine scaling that up, working with repeat clients, increasing your rates. Before you know it, you're making way more than just $10,000. The best part? You're gaining real-world experience employers love. This isn't just side cash, it's career-building money. Next, let's talk about flipping. No, not acrobatics. Flipping products. Sneakers, vintage clothes, even limited edition Starbucks cups. People love exclusivity, and you can profit from it. Buy low, sell high. It's the oldest wealth strategy in the book. You could start with just $100, reinvest profits, and within months, you're making bank. Don't believe me? Google sneaker reselling success stories. It's a legit business, and it doesn't stop at sneakers. Electronics, gaming consoles, even thrift store finds can be flipped for profit. The key is finding trends before they blow up. Get good at this, and you're not just making money, you're building an income stream. Think you're just an average student? Well, guess what? You're smarter than a high schooler struggling with math or an international student learning English. Platforms like Wyzant and Chegg Tutors pay up to $30 an hour. Even if you do just 10 hours a week, that's an extra $1,200 a month. That's rent, that's groceries, that's freedom. And here's the best part. This is one of the easiest ways to scale up. More students mean more demand. Soon, you can even start your own tutoring business and hire others to teach for you. Now we're talking serious money. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm not an influencer. Good news, you don't need to be. You just need an audience. TikTok, YouTube, even Instagram Reels. All of these are free tools that can turn into cash machines through brand deals, affiliate marketing, and even YouTube ad revenue. Even a small channel making $500 a month, that's passive income that grows. And I'll let you in on a secret. Most people quit before they see results. Don't be most people. The key is consistency. Posting regularly and learning what your audience wants. And here's the wild part. Once you have an audience, you can monetize in multiple ways. Courses, digital products, sponsorships. The possibilities are endless. Finally, let's talk about skills that pay ridiculously well. Coding, digital marketing, copywriting. These are things you can learn online for free, yet companies will pay you thousands for them. Imagine graduating and already having a $5,000 a month skill. Now that is a power move. No job applications, no waiting around, just skills that get you paid. And here's something crazy. Some of these skills don't even require college, meaning you can get ahead while everyone else is still stuck in class. Now, I know what you're thinking. Which one should I start with? Here's the truth. It doesn't matter as long as you start. The only difference between people who make money and people who don't? Action. And here's the kicker. $10,000 is just the beginning. Because if you take this money and invest it, you can turn it into 6 figures without even working for it. Sounds crazy. It's not. It's called the power of compounding, and I break it all down in this next video. Click here before you miss out. Final words. The clock is ticking. Your future self is waiting. The question is, will you take the first step